You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this condition, this syndrome. If you want to learn more vocabulary from medicine that is confusing, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you named after Dutch scientists. Dutch pronunciation, Peutz-Jeghers, I believe is the Dutch pronunciation, but in English that's not how you have to pronounce it. You can simply say it as Peutz-Jeghers, the Dutch pronunciation, Peutz-Jeghers. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.